The spider-tailed horned viper, scientifically known as Pseudocerastes urarachnoides, is a fascinating and enigmatic species of viper found primarily in western Iran. This snake is relatively small compared to other vipers, typically measuring around 30–60 centimeters in length. Its body is stout and cylindrical, with a distinctively triangular-shaped head. The viper's coloration varies, but it often has a sandy or light brown base color, which helps it blend into its arid desert habitat. It may also feature darker markings and patterns along its body. Its most distinctive feature is a peculiar, spider-shaped lure located at the end of its tail, resembling a small arachnid. This appendage is composed of elongated scales, which the snake uses to attract prey, mainly birds and rodents. The snake's coloration and pattern mimic its rocky habitat, helping it blend seamlessly into its surroundings. It often has shades of brown, gray, and beige, providing effective camouflage against the rocky desert terrain. One of its most remarkable physical features is the presence of horn-like scales above each eye, giving it a unique appearance resembling small horns. Like other vipers, the spider-tailed horned viper possesses potent venom, which it uses to immobilize and digest its prey. Its venom likely aids in subduing prey items such as small rodents and lizards. The spider-like appendage at the end of its tail serves as a lure to attract prey, particularly birds and lizards. When a potential meal approaches to investigate the spider, the viper strikes with lightning speed. Its camouflaged appearance and spider-like lure enable it to ambush unsuspecting prey. By lying in wait amongst rocks or low vegetation, it uses its tail lure to mimic the movement of a spider, attracting curious birds or rodents within striking range. Being a desert-dwelling species, it has adapted to regulate its body temperature efficiently. This adaptation allows it to remain active in the extreme temperatures of its habitat, both during the scorching daytime and cooler nights. This species has evolved to survive in arid environments with limited access to water sources. It obtains most of its hydration from its prey, reducing its dependence on external water sources. The spider-shaped lure at the end of its tail is a remarkable adaptation and a highly specialized hunting tool found in no other snake species. Its resemblance to a spider is uncanny and serves as an ingenious method to lure prey. Spider-tailed horned vipers are elusive and rarely encountered in the wild due to their excellent camouflage and secretive nature. This has led to limited scientific understanding of their behavior and ecology. During the breeding season, male spider-tailed horned vipers engage in ritualized combat to compete for mates. They intertwine and push against each other, attempting to assert dominance and secure breeding rights with females. This species is restricted to specific regions of Iran, primarily inhabiting rocky desert landscapes. Its narrow distribution makes it highly vulnerable to habitat destruction and other threats. Mating in spider-tailed horned vipers typically occurs during the warmer months of the year when environmental conditions are more favorable. Male vipers may engage in courtship displays to attract females, which can involve movements and postures to demonstrate their fitness and readiness to mate. After successful mating, females will carry fertilized eggs internally until they are ready to give birth to live young. This method of reproduction is known as ovoviviparity, common among many viper species. There's limited information on parental care in this species, but like many vipers, once the offspring are born, there is likely no parental involvement in their care.